In this video, we go over how to connect to Eduroam while on campus at SCU. Why Eduroam, you ask? Because to use your MySCU Portal apps, which includes your Google Workspace, Camino, and printing, you will need to connect to the Eduroam wireless network, which requires antivirus, and ClearPass OnGuard, which verifies you have an antivirus app and a current operating system. Let's jump in. Under your available wireless network, select Eduroam and use your SCU email address and MySCU Portal password. Click Continue to accept the certificate and enter your computer password when prompted. Now that we're connected, we'll start with installing antivirus. Open Chrome and navigate to scu.edu/technology. Search SentinelOne and click the first option. Scroll to the bottom of this page for personal computer downloads. Do not download the Campus Computers option because this includes additional monitoring features meant for SCU computers only. Click on the download link and open the zip file in your Downloads folder. Open the macOS folder, launch the SentinelOne installer, and follow the installation process and enter your computer password when prompted. Allow SentinelOne notifications and folder access. Open Apple's System Preferences, navigate to the Privacy and Security section, and click Allow for any SentinelOne requests. Then scroll up to Full Disk Access and ensure Sentineled and Sentineled_helper are added and enabled. You will also want to allow a SentinelOne network extension if prompted, and then restart to finalize the install. After the restart, we have our SentinelOne antivirus, and now we need ClearPass OnGuard. Open Chrome and navigate to scu.edu/OnGuard and download the version compatible with your system. When the download is complete, launch the OnGuard DMG file and PKG install files to launch the installer. Then follow the instructions and enter your computer password if prompted. After the install, click the OnGuard icon at the top and show ClearPass OnGuard. When you see the green shield, you are good to go. But to be sure, let's open Chrome and navigate to scu.edu/login to verify we can access our MySCU Portal apps. Success! You did it!